The latest iteration of the Ford F-150 is gearing up for police duties as the fleet order banks for the 2024 F-150 Police Responder are now open, a follow-up to its predecessor introduced in 2021. The full-size pickup continues to champion Ford as the best-selling police vehicle brand in the U.S. The new Ford F-150 Police Responder benefits from new standard features, including blind spot information sensors, a 12-inch center stack screen, a 12-inch instrument cluster screen, and 18-inch steel wheels. The driver assist technology package is also updated, providing functions such as collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, and lane change warning, among others. There are also new police operation-ready standard features. The police perimeter alert automatically secures the vehicle and officer when potential threats are detected. At the same time, the police engine idle allows officers to exit the vehicle with the key without losing power to lights and sirens. The F-150 Police is also equipped with the Police Dark Mode, which, as the name suggests, turns off interior lighting and dims cluster lights during surveillance. Other new standard features include the supplemental heated sanitization solution and Ford Pro Upfit Integration System, UIS. The former temporarily increases interior temperatures above 133 degrees Fahrenheit to reduce viral concentration, while the latter is said to make upfits and programmable control easy. In terms of options, Ford is offering a front console mounting plate delete and optional content installed at Troy Design Manufacturing, TDM, including a spot lamp prep kit, spot lamps, and inoperable rear door lock, handle, and window controls. No powertrain details were included, but the predecessor had a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine tuned to deliver 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. For those who may prefer an electrified police fleet, Ford also offers the F-150 Lightning Pro SSV, special service vehicle. The SSV should be able to catch up to runners with an acceleration that can reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill in just 4 seconds.